Bullish Dogecoin, Doge, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.355802 and $0.672071 by 2030. Market examiners accept Doge could reach $0.276735 by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.063254. Dogecoin, Doge, presentation programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge D, as a joke because of the then uncontrolled digital money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Regardless of being snide, certain individuals view it as a suitable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's token and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its internet-based local area and, by May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. Kindly note that the forecasts recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation guidance. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. Anyway, how about we jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin, Doge? Distributed, open-source digital money. Dogecoin, Doge, works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an unexpected image coin. A delineation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in fame. At the point when the digital currency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. One, a center of allies actually exchange Dogecoin and use it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost a lot of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for advanced monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. What's more, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, digital currencies like Bitcoin are deflationary, however Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into course as mining rewards is split at regular intervals, and until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin decentral examination. Its memorables basic that dissimilar to on account of the securities exchange, most cryptographic forms of money are projects instead of organizations. Consequently, you can assess regardless of whether a digital currency is worth the effort by leading a proper basic investigation and taking into account all the data accessible about the venture. Essential examination is worried about deciding a resource's inborn worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inner and outside components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The upsides of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining environment. There is currently no rush toward an claimed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Accordingly, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system extension. In spite of the fact that its origin was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely utilitarian cash that can be utilized for ordinary uses. Dogecoin is as of now worth $0.079067 United States dollars. Doge has moved 8.06% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $1,232,735,128. Dogecoin is as of now positioned 9 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $11,128,497,898 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination difference, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin, Doge, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Doge. The Doge cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.118601. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.110694 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of $0.0948881. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform $0.1976668. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Doge's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.158134 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.173948. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.276735 and Doge might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.253015 and a low of $0.237202 in 2025. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2026, assuming that Dogecoin effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.355802 with a base cost of $0.316269 and a typical cost of $0.332082. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2027, after some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.411149 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.395336 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a most extreme value worth of $0.434870. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.490198. In the event that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.513917. Neglecting to accumulate the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.474385. Dogecoin, Doge, value forecast 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the basic